What's up, everybody? This is Nurse Blue. Listen, I'm going to my favorite place where I go and connect with the Most High. And I just want to show you what I am walking towards. Right now, it is so bright. The sun is so bright that it is actually making it very hard for me to record this. But the reason why I wanted to come on here, because I wanted you to experience this moment with me. This is my paradise, where I go and connect with my soul, and the answers that come from the experiences of my connection I give to others to help lift you so that you can feel the power and the energy of the experience of connecting with the Most High, which is in you because you are a spiritual being. And so as I did this, the Spirit told me to record this message and bring you into this mix, because maybe you have something that you are dealing with right now, and you just needed to connect to something in the supernatural. And I wanted to be of support to you. And so as you look into the sun right now, what is it that's on your heart right now that you either want to release? What do you need to get answers for? What do you need to feel right now? Is it peace? Is it the comfort of knowing that it's going to be okay? Is it the comfort of knowing that you are not alone? Is it the comfort of knowing that this too shall pass? Whatever it is, I want you to be reminded that the source and the force that is within you is more powerful than whatever it is that you might be struggling with right now. Just keep walking straight. Walk through. And then on the other side of whatever it is, get the blessing, which is the lesson, and then share it with someone else, because you are moving through this. This is not even for you. It's for the next person who's going to go through their storm, their challenge, their difficult time, their place. And so go get the lesson so you can help somebody else. Don't worry about where you are right now. You're going to be all right, baby. If you listening to this right now, you hearing my voice and you seeing this sun, this is a reminder that you are going to be just fine. This is to build you. This is to love you. This is to support you. And this is designed to help give you the answers for why you are here on this planet. So while it might be painful, that's okay. You got to build muscle. And when you build muscle, you got to lift weights. And when you get there, when you get on the other side of it, you just watch what God is going to do with this, okay? Love you. And if you need help and support, you can find us in the Soul Health and Wellness Club. I'm going to post a link so that you can be a part of this wonderful community designed to build you, to love you, to unite us, and empower us. Bye.